Amarillo is home to two railroad yards. One runs north and south, and it'll take you to places like Denver and Cheyenne, Wyoming. The other runs east and west, sitting right on the middle of the busiest track route in the country, BNSF's Transcon route from Chicago to Los Angeles. Amarillo owes its very existence to the railroads, and this morning on the 806, we meet with the Amarillo Railroad Museum, whose main goal is preserving that rich history.
The museum itself, we started out as a model railroad club with the goal to build an HO scale layout modeling some of the railroad in the Texas Panhandle. But after a few years, we realized and recognized the railroads were changing and evolving right in front of us. And so we decided to evolve ourselves, so we evolved into the Amarillo Railroad Museum as a 501c3 incorporated entity to try and preserve some of that rich railroad heritage through both model railroading and through preservation of some real equipment. The property, and we wanted to have as much space as we could get, and so we found or figured out a way to build 5,000 square foot building, and we did. And so then we moved out here in November of 2003 into what was at the time an empty shell, and then started work on the interior of the building to get it to where it is today. The layout was specially designed for us. We hired a designer, Byron Henderson, to develop the design for the layout to try and reflect as much of the flavor of the Texas Panhandle as possible. So we come into the layout at Canadian and on the lower level, and so you chase through several of the small towns from Canadian coming into Amarillo, and then you hit the helix and come out on the upper level at Canyon.
You all have some of the cars from the old school Pantex white train on display here. Talk about that a little bit.
Started on a big highway building boom after World War II. So relative to railroads and everything, railroad was the only viable way to ship anything. So the government had Sandia National Laboratories design cars especially for shipping nuclear weapons. So those rail cars wound up being built between 1957 to 1960, and they had a fleet of cars that they used for shipping both completed nuclear weapons and nuclear weapon components, particularly the radioactive material, the cores, the pits, as they call them, from the places where they were fabricated. I love history, and there's so much I'm still learning about the railroads in the Panhandle, but I'm chasing the history and trying to make sure some of that history gets incorporated into the model railroad.
And if you're interested, membership is $25 a month for individuals at the Railroad Museum, but a student membership is available for just $5 a month.